So, good evening, everyone, and this is the beautiful creative which we are going to create today on PowerPoint. So, the students who haven't checked out my previous lecture, which I shooted yesterday, in which I taught you some very good magical tricks with the help of which you can create such beautiful, creatives. You guys can please go ahead and check out the tutorial and learn those techniques. So with the help of one of the techniques, I've already created all the required images over here, and I have saved it inside a folder named Frozen, and this folder is right there on my desktop, right? Besides that, in the description section you can find the link to this folder. I have uploaded it on Google Drive, and in all the you can find all the pictures which I am going to make use of in this creative inside this folder, right? So let's come on this PowerPoint, and the first thing I would like to define is the background. So we can come on this insert option, and then here you can see this images option. Where is that? Insert images. Okay, insert pictures. I think I'm using Office 365. That's the reason this pictures option is coming. So we can come on the desktop and let's search for the background image in this folder named Frozen. So that is the one which I will be making use of as a background for my creative, right? So I have downloaded it from the internet. Let me just tell you how can you find such beautiful images on the internet. So you can come over here on Google, then you can search for the relevant images, and the thing you have to type in the search box for getting such images is this Frozen blue background. So something like that you can type here, and when you will come on this images section, here you will find all the relevant images. So these are some great. The students who are new on this channel, let me just tell you that I have started recently this rupees 500 coding classes. So if you want to learn coding, you're new in this coding area and you desperately want to learn it, right? So you can contact me on my number, which you can see on the video, right? Besides that, if you want, you can also check out the videos which I have published on my YouTube channel, so as to see what kind of lectures I give to my students. Fine. So now if you want to bring this girl on the top of this cake, suppose the way it is getting reflected over here in this creative, so you can select this girl and simply you can hit this bring forward button. So now you can, that is how you can bring this girl forward, and you can send this cat, the cake will go in the back automatically. It's time for us to now define this flowery environment. So we are going to again use this insert option, pictures, and we can use this flower. Okay, I'm going to put it over here like this. Control C, Control V for creating the duplicate of this flower. I hope you guys enjoying this lecture. Please do not forget to like and share this video. This is how you can improve your designing skills. Fine, we have worked a lot on coding. We are still working on that part also, right? And definitely on this channel you are going to get each and everything, whether it's related to coding or it's related to designing. I really love improve I really love creative people. I really love creative minds, and I am myself very much creative. I love colors a lot, That is the reason, I am able to make such beautiful creatives. And with this channel, uh, God has given me the chance to, show my creative skills to you guys. And just I'm sharing my knowledge with you. And if you are liking it, so please do not forget to press the like button and hit the subscribe button also. Okay, so I need to bring it a little bit in the left like this. Perfectly fine. Coming back on this insert option, let's insert the second type of flower, which is this white flowers. And as per this image, we need to put it on these two corners, right? So we can do it like this. It's very easy, right? And all these images are PNG images. What I did is I downloaded it from the internet, and I then removed the background using this remove background option. Thereby I saved it on my device in a folder. And if you want to access all these images, you can do it very easily. There is a link in the description box that you can use for downloading all the images. Fine. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Then what else we have over here on this creative? So we have this one, we have this beautiful girl who is my daughter. So I'm going to put this one over here, and also I am going to bring my daughter's photograph. So here is she. uh, okay, putting it over here. She's going to turn 1 very soon, right? Then I need to insert that happy birthday thing. Yeah, that's the one. And I will be putting it right in the bottom the way it is there on this original creative. So here I am going to put it. Now you can see this happy birthday is hiding the foot of this girl. We need to send it back, so we can simply select this happy birthday and then we can click this send backward option. That is the way you can send anything backward, and with this option you can bring anything in the forward, right? Okay, then we have these two whiteys. So I'm going to again come on this insert pictures option, and let's quickly insert these characters over here. So, and what I did is I just duplicated, I created a duplicate of this character and I'm putting it here. But you can see in this creative, it is it is like this, right? As if they are holding this whole happy birthday banner. So how can we make it appear like the way it is appearing in this creative? So we can simply come on this option. Let's flip it horizontally. That is the way we can do it. Yeah, now it is looking good. See how beautiful this creative is looking now. Okay, it's time for us to add this girl in such a way that it should look as if she's a part of this image, which I have added in the background. So we can hit this insert option. Let's come on this pictures. This is the girl which I need, and I can add it over here like this. Yeah, reducing its size a little bit. I think I'll have to reduce the size of this happy birthday because I want uh, okay, yeah, now I think it is better. Let's increase the size of this girl because I want to see it welcoming my daughter like this. Sending it backward. Yeah, now it's looking perfectly fine. See, if you want to enlarge it a little bit more, definitely you can do that. So now the castle is also touching its head, so now it is looking much more prettier. Coming back on this creative, so now we have some birds flying around my girl. Let's come on this insert option and let's insert these birds over here. So I'm going to put one here and one I'm putting it over here. Just create the duplicate of these birds and you can put them like this. And then we are going to put two birds on the right side, and I would like it to face towards this girl. So we can just flip it horizontally like this, right? In case you're not able to understand anything, do let me know. Okay, so see how beautiful now this creator is looking. I hope I have covered, I'm done with covering everything. Is anything left? Yes, there is one image which is still left. So it is our Khatu Shyamji's Nishan's image. Where can you get it from? Let me help you with that too. So you can come on this Google and you can search for this image. Now, how you'll do that? Khatu Shyamji. So this is the way you can, sorry, image clip art you can search for. I think this will give you that bow and arrow thing. Yeah, so that is the one, and this is going to look much prettier. So I'm going to copy this and then we can simply bring it over here like this. Now let's remove this white background. Okay, so that's the way you can get rid of this white background quickly. If you don't know about this process, I would request you to please check out the tutorial which I shooted yesterday, in which I explain each and everything about how you can remove the background, how you can work easily on PowerPoint. So now I think it's looking better, right? Yep. Okay. So we have this Nishan and I'm going to put it over here like this. Better. So this is our creative. Now if you want me to uh, get it from this PowerPoint and if you want me to save it as an image, so let me just show you that process also. After making the creative, you can select the slide, Control C for copying the slide, and then you can come over here, Control V for pasting the slide like this, right? And then you can use this option save as, and you can save it in the form of image. So art, let's make it creative 2. So it's creative 2, right? That we developed, and that is how you can bring it, save it, save this creative in the form of an image on your device. Hi, so this is it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this one a lot. Before ending this meeting, I would like to enlarge the size of my creative and show it to you how it will look like when you will you know get it printed on a flex. So that is how it is going to come, right? I hope you're liking it. Please do not forget to hit the like and share button and make this video reach to the maximum students possible. Fine, thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. Have a great weekend all of you, and the students who are new on this channel, let me tell you, I've started my coding classes, rupees 500 coding classes, which I used to provide I think some months back, because currently I'm into Python. All the students who are learning Python from me, they are doing gaming and mobile applications. They are designing new things on daily basis. They are learning things related to artificial intelligence. So if you really want to uh, learn, if you really want to have a deep knowledge of coding, you can take my coding classes. Fine, my number is there on this video, so you can ask your parents to get in touch with me, and I will